How I get $25 per hour jobs on Facebook. Did you know that businesses all around the world are hiring people just like you to help manage their social media accounts such as Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube? There is a lot of money in it, and the best part is that you don't need any qualifications, prior experience or specialized skills. All you need is a few spare hours per week, a computer with an internet connection, and a good knowledge of how to use Facebook, Twitter, or YouTube. There are currently positions open worldwide for people just like you to begin work on simple jobs such as posting Facebook comments, $25 per hour. Commenting on and liking YouTube videos, $20 per hour. Tweeting special offers and promotions, $200 per week part-time. Social media manager, $1,050 per week full-time. Managing Facebook groups and contests, $27 per hour. We have a wide range of positions available, and much more are being added daily. However, there are also lots of people interested in these jobs, and the positions are filling fast, so I recommend that you apply now if you are interested.